Hello, in this video I want to show you how to uninstall apps from HP laptop. To do this, we'll need to click on the Start and move to our settings. Here select Apps, Installed Apps. Then you can see the list of all that apps that are installed on your laptop. You need to find it by scrolling down, or you can search for it manually right here. And let's just scroll down and choose, I guess, this one. So you need to click on the banner of the app that you want to remove. Or actually, sorry, it was on the Windows 10. So on Windows 11, you need to click on the three dots next to the app you want to uninstall, and then there's three options should reveal, and select uninstall. Proceed with the instructions and your app should be removed from your Windows. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.